Previously, I explored Seapoint Promenade, one of Cape Town's most iconic coastal spaces, a place where the city meets the ocean and locals come to move, breathe, and reset. But Cape Town isn't just about where you walk, it's also about how you move. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is exclusive holiday and wildlife in Africa. On this channel, we take you to holiday and wildlife destinations across Africa. The Southern Line is one of the oldest rail routes in Cape Town. It runs through the southern suburbs, areas shaped by education, activism, migration, and the coastal culture. Today we are heading to Kalk Bay, all the way from here, Cape Town CBD, using the famous R7.50 train. So come with me, let's have this experience together. Let's go. It opened in the late 1800s. This station grew alongside Cape Town itself. It connected the city center to outskirts suburbs, harbors, and communities. So for us to get to Kalk Bay, we need now to buy a ticket, right? So we see what time is the train, and now we're heading down there to buy a ticket so that, we don't get arrested on the train. So remember, if you don't have a ticket, you get arrested, you get fined. How much is a single to Kalk Bay? How much? $7.50. Thank you. Yep, I told you. 7 rands all the way to Kalk Bay. 7 rands. The train itself is pretty simple. Nothing fancy, but the views next level. The ride takes about 45 minutes to an hour depending on stops. You will pass through Observatory, Muizenberg, and finally the coast alongside the ocean as you near Kalk Bay. Finally, so we've made it. Welcome to Kalk Bay. And now it's time to explore. Let's go. This is crazy, like literally a restaurant. In a train station, look at that. Wonderful. All right, so off we go. As you can see, we're already here in Kalk Bay, so we're gonna start exploring the neighborhood, just walking down, just looking at the shops, and yeah, just to get to know what and see what Kalk Bay really offers, quirky bookshops, vintage store, local art galleries, and seaside cafe. This main street, it's small, walkable, and full of soul. Even if you don't buy anything, window shopping here is an experience itself. From above, Kalk Bay feels small, but it has survived storms, political change, and time itself. This village carries history quietly, and sometimes quiet places say the most. Kalk Bay is still a working fishing harbor, so every morning you will find fishermen offloading their catch, and sometimes you will see the sails waiting for snacks. So we have arrived in the heart of Kalk Bay. As you can see, Kalk Bay is a small fishing town. If you look around, there is all the fishing boats. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna first wander around and see if we can find, fishermen who've caught fresh fish, so that we can go back home with some fresh fish. And lastly, we're going to Kalky's, to get some fish and chips. So if you come to Cape Town and you want to blend in with the community, with the flavors of the Cape, what they call the Cape Malay, so Kalky's, the famous fish and chips, is the way to go. So remember, when you come, Kalky's, fish and chips, on the go. Kalk Bay began as a small fishing settlement in the early 1800s. The name comes from the lime kilns Kalk once used here for building material. Over time, fishing families from different backgrounds settled here, creating a village built around the sea. Fishing here isn't a trend, it's a tradition passed down through generations. This place is raw, real, and full of salt ocean air. If you're lucky, you will catch a seal shore for free. Wow. This is what I needed. Crunchy on the outside, juicy inside. 10 out of 10. After lunch, the best way to finish the Kalk Bay trip is just to sit here, you know, and watch the waves crashing, and let's time move on, you know. That's the best way to enjoy this Kalk Bay trip. From the 7.50 train ride to fresh fish and chips and a whole lot of charm, Kalk Bay is a vibe. If you're exploring Cape Town, don't miss this little gem. If you enjoyed this video, hit that button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Would you take this train ride? Or have you been here before? I would love to hear your thoughts. Next up, I'm still exploring Cape Town, so turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.